So I got my doorbell installed, and I'll show you kind of what it sounds like since I have it synced up with my Alexa. So that Alexa's making some noises.
Someone is at the front door.
It says someone is at the front door. Works pretty well. So if you were to look at where I used to have it, and it's really dirty, so just never mind the mess. That used to be my doorbell, and it pops off, and you have to have that little black wire across to get it to work correctly for probably constant power to the doorbell. Well, that's it.
It's super easy to install. We've had no issues. And the app allows me to view it live from my phone and from my Apple Watch, as well as overseas. So we got it for $60, and it is a phenomenal purchase. No complaints so far.
You can see how tiny this is. It fits right in my hand. It's mini-sized. I'm not going to use this. It doesn't have a back plate to attach to anything. It only comes with a screwdriver and some screws. I would not buy this. I would want the regular Ring.
Champion of the house. I guess they're a no-show. Please leave a message.